Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 1. Lactantii Fermiani Epitome Divinardrum Institutionum ad Pentarium Fratrem. So of Firmianus Lactantius, Lucius Caecilius Firmianus Lactantius, the epitome of his divine institutes. This is the summary or the brief synopsis, written to his brother Pentarius. Eam ex vetustissimo manuscripto taurdrenensi nuper editam recensuit, et suis animad versionibus illustravit, ac emendavit Ioannes Davisius, Iurdris et Theologiae Doctor. So, it, eam, feminine singular accusative, referring to the epitome, from the most ancient manuscript, that is, the Taurinensis manuscript, he revised it, recensuit. It, eam, the epitome, was recently published. And, with his own observations, suis animad versionibus illustravit, or adorned with, improved by, and ac emendavit, corrected, Ioannes Davisius. So Ioannes Davisius is the subject of recensuit, illustravit, and emendavit. The object is eam, namely the epitome, which is modified by editam. Ioannes Davisius is a doctor both of law and of theology. I do not know what these letters stand for, of what they are an abbreviation. Perhaps one of my readers can tell me. This was published Canta Brigii at Cambridge, Typis Academicis at the academic publishers. Here's the information about the publisher, etc. And it was published in the year 1718. Quamquam divinardrum institutionum libri, quos iam pridem ad illustrandam veritatem religionemque conscripsimus, ita legentium mentes instruant, ita informant, ut nec prolixitas pardreat fastidium, nec oneret ubertas, tamen horderum tibi epitomen fieri pentari frater, desideras, credo ut ad te scribam, tuumque nomen in nostro qualicunque opere celebretur. Lactantius begins, although of the divine institutes, the books, libri is masculine plural and nominative, the subject, although the books, quos conscripsimus, this little phrase here, this clause, quos through conscripsimus, modifies the libri, the books which already or long since I wrote conscripsimus. Why did I write them? Ad illustrandam veritatem religionemque, for making clear the truth and religion. Although, quamquam, the books, ita legentium mentes instruant, although they are so instructing, so equipping the minds, mentes, of the readers, legentium, instruant is the third plural, subjunctive from the third conjugation verb instruo, instruere, like so. Its object is mentes, feminine plural accusative, and legentium is a participle in the masculine plural and genitive. Although they were so instructing or equipping the minds of the readers, so shaping them, informant, another third plural subjunctive. And now here comes the result, ut, the result set up by both itas, quamquam libri instruant, informant, that as a result, nec prolixitas pardreat, not even a prolixity, pardreat fastidium, not even their length, produced boredom, nor did their ubertas, their fullness, oneret, serve as a kind of burden on the readers. Notice how in these two phrases, Lactantius is defending himself a little bit for both the length, the prolixitas of the work, and the ubertas, the fullness. Nevertheless, in good Ciceronian style, note how this sentence hinges on two important conjunctions, quamquam, the subordinating conjunction, although, and tamen, this one. Nevertheless, of these books, horderum antecedent libri, for yourself, epitomen fieri, that there be an epitome, pentari frater, my brother Pentarius, this is masculine, singular, vocative, you desire, desideras. So there's the verb. Nevertheless, you want, brother Pentarius, for yourself, a summary epitome of these books. I believe, he says, you desire this, is implicit, I believe, in order that, I may write something to you, and, that your name, nomen, may become famous in nostro opera, in my work, qualicunque, put modestly, whatever kind of work that may be.